New York Attorney General Letitia James urged a federal court on Wednesday to reject a case brought by Donald Trump seeking to terminate her years-long probe into his firm, claiming that the effort to impede the inquiry arises only when the former president was subpoenaed. The Attorney General's office challenged the timeliness of Trump's complaint, which comes well over 2 years into a civil tax fraud probe focusing on the Trump Organization in documents filed in the court in Syracuse. Welcome back to Next News Hour. If you're new to the channel, tap on the subscription button and press the notification bell. The timing of this lawsuit against the Attorney General, coming only as OAG is nearing a conclusion of its investigation, is contemplating the filing of an enforcement action and has sought Mr. Trump's sworn testimony, belies any notion that there is any objective behind the suit other than distraction and delay. The court filing said. The court also noted that the moment Trump and his allies have started disputing legal demands of Letitia James, and I quote, "At no point, despite having ample opportunity to do so, did the Trump Organization or Mr. Trump ever challenge the underlying legal basis for the investigation or OAG's statutory authority to conduct the investigation. Until now, only after Mr. Trump was served with a subpoena." Trump claimed in his complaint that James's civil investigation of his company's business operations was politically motivated and that he is the victim of viewpoint discrimination. The complaint, which cites many times in which James stated publicly her intention to sue Trump in court, seeks a court order barring her from participating in any civil or criminal activities against Trump and his organization. In a court filing on Wednesday, James contested the allegation that the investigation was politically motivated, stating that her office had discovered extensive proof of constructing countless false statements in Mr. Trump's financial information supplied to banks, insurers, and the Internal Revenue Service. In a statement, James said, "We will not be deterred by frivolous lawsuits and will continue to follow the facts of this case because no one is above the law." Trump's lawyer and a representative for his corporation did not immediately reply to requests for comment. However, Trump's lawyer, Elena Huber, said in a statement, "Once again, Letitia James fails to address her egregious and unethical conduct in her weak response to our complaint." Well, we'd like to know your thoughts and responses. Share them in the comments down below, and also share this news and show us support through subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for the real stuff on Next News Hour.